Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Salesforce Authenticator to your Salesforce account. First, ensure you have the Salesforce Authenticator app installed on your mobile device, available for both iOS and Android. Then, log into your Salesforce account using a web browser. From there, we will navigate to your personal settings to initiate the secure connection. This process adds an essential layer of security, protecting your data with multi-factor authentication. Once you are in your Salesforce personal settings, look for Advanced User Details or My Personal Information. Within this section, you will find App Registration, Salesforce Authenticator. Click the Connect or Register button there. Salesforce will then display a unique two-word phrase on your screen. This phrase is crucial for linking your mobile app to your account, ensuring a secure and seamless setup. Now, switch to your mobile device and open the Salesforce Authenticator app. Tap on Add an Account and carefully enter the two-word phrase that Salesforce displayed in your web browser. After entering the phrase, the app will prompt you to confirm the connection. Simply tap Connect or Approve on your phone to finalize the link between your Salesforce account and the Authenticator app. After confirming on your mobile device, return to your Salesforce browser session. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. To ensure everything is working correctly, log out of your Salesforce account. Then, attempt to log back in. Salesforce will send a notification to your Authenticator app. Simply approve the request on your phone to complete your secure login. This confirms your multi-factor authentication is fully operational.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.